On the screen with me is a list of resources that can help you understand how to make your website accessible and follow best practices for ADA compliance. First is this YouTube channel along with my ADA book. The YouTube channel can be thought of as a video library that's going to answer almost all of your specific questions. And then the ADA book is going to provide you a really good overview of the legal landscape and then also how to practically approach making your website accessible and following best practices. Next is my WCAG checklist and guide. These are both completely free and they're going to help you understand the web content accessibility guidelines with plain English explanations. Again, these are completely free. No email subscription is required. These are available on accessible.org, and I will provide links to all of these resources in the description. Next is the accessibility statement. And this is a template. So it's an accessibility statement template. It's customizable. It's what I've done is I've taken the settlements resulting from DOJ private enforcement actions, and I've taken what the DOJ has mandated in those settlements, and I've brought them forward into an accessibility statement. And so it's really comprehensive. And what you can do is you can customize this statement to what best fits your organization. Again, this is 100% free, and you can download it right now. The WCAG course is going to be my full course with video explanations. It also comes with a very helpful, customizable, sortable Excel spreadsheet. And this spreadsheet is going to have many different columns. One of those columns is going to be the roles that I would assign to each of the success criterion. So for example, you might have a developer working on something, you might have a content editor that's working on another success criterion, or you might have a designer working on something else. This is going to help you stay organized, and it's going to be a really good resource. But this is part of the WCAG course where this course will help you understand all of these technical guidelines. The next resource is my ADA compliance course, and this really amounts to step-by-step instructions that website owner operators can either go through themselves or give to their teams so that they can find and fix the most commonly claimed issues in litigation. So this course really targets those accessibility issues that plaintiffs' lawyers look for and then claim in a complaint filed in court. And so I have looked through the most active plaintiffs' law firms. I have looked through their complaints. I know what issues they are claiming. This course is going to tell you how to find those issues and then how to fix those issues. And then there are also code examples so that your developer, as they're going through and working on the accessibility issues that require more technical coding experience, they're going to know, they're going to have samples of code so that they can work from those examples and apply, use the correct code and make sure that they are doing things in the technically correct way so that there are no accessibility issues and that plaintiffs' lawyers really don't have anything to go off of, at least among their favorite accessibility issues. And then last, I have services. Accessible.org offers audit, remediation, and consultation, among other services. So that resource is also available. So I'll link to all of these below.